Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we had a great question on one of our Divi Supreme videos, and the question was, can you use Divi Supreme just with the Divi Builder? So in other words, if you don't have the Divi theme installed, can you use it with the Divi Builder on another site? Well, let's find out. That was a great question. It's something I never tried. I've got the 2020 theme installed here, and I've installed the Divi Builder, which you can install on any site here, and we've got a little page. I've just downloaded the Supreme module, so let's go and see if we can install it and run it. So I'm going to go to my plugins, add new, upload. There's my Supreme. Well, it's loaded it fine. That's great. That's a good sign. Okay, Divi Supreme. Okay, we've got to install the Divi Supreme Lite to make sure this works properly, and activate that one. Great, and there it is right there. So I'm going to put my license key in. Great, so we're good to go. Let's see if this thing's actually going to work. Let's just refresh this page. Let's go down. Let's enable the Visual Builder and see if our Supreme modules are in there. Okay, let's go down and see if we can't put a Supreme modules in. Let's add a new row, single column. And there we are. By default, all the grey ones there are the ones that come with Divi Builder. There we go. All these purple blue ones are the ones that come with the Supreme modules. So let's try one. Let's make sure it's going to work. Let's try something like perhaps a flip box. Let's add an item. There it is right there. Not seeing that colour in there. Let's bring all our text to the middle. Save that. Let's add the flip side. Okay, it doesn't look like it's working there. Let's save our changes and have a look on the front end. Yeah, well, it's actually worked absolutely fine, but on the when the builder's enabled, you can't see those background colors, but it does actually work perfectly. That seems to work fine for me. Let's go back in there. Okay, you see it doesn't look, you're not seeing the colors there in the builder, but they are actually there on the front end, which is great. Let's go back in there and we'll add a button. I'll just give it a hashtag for a link. There it is, it's shown up there. Let's add a image, see if we can actually blend an image with this too. Let's go down and I'll just use a multiply. Like I say, we can't actually see it here, but it'd be interesting to see if we've got it on the front end there. And let's make our button make it a red button. Let's not have a border. It's fine, fine, fine. And button text white. Font family, I think because we're not using the Divi, we better choose one. I'll just make it able. Let's make it capitalized, and I don't want a button icon. So let's save that. Save our changes. We've just updated the front one there, I believe. Save draft. And exit the Visual Builder. There we go, it's actually displaying very well. I should have made that text white. I'm not seeing the custom styles on that button. Let's make sure we did do custom styles for that button. Yeah, should be red. Just give it a bit of spacing, and we'll give it top and bottom 100 pixels. Just make it a little bit bigger. Left and right 50 pixels. Let's see what that looks like. Save our draft and exit the Visual Builder. Yeah, and so the padding's not taking effect, the button's not taking effect, the flip box itself is working, but not quite as it should do. Just changing the text color to a light color. And check I actually put that padding in there. Spacing. Yeah, that's definitely in there. Sizing. Module alignment. It's fine, right in the middle there. Okay, well, let's save that. So it's updated that text, but that button is still not looking right, and we've still not got our padding top, bottom, left and right. So really the answer to this question is kind of. That's really not helpful. My answer would be no. You can install it and it'll work somewhat. Some of these modules may work, but the flip box is obviously not taking the CSS as it should. Let's just go into Divi, see if we can tweak the CSS, and that might help. So let's go into my Divi. And I'm going to disable the static CSS file generation. Sometimes this will help with if CSS is not updating. So let's try that. Now I've done that, I'm going to go back and I'm going to refresh this page. No, that hasn't helped at all. Okay, like I say, My answer is still no. I mean, that's kind of working, but it's not working correctly. But thankfully, our Divi builder itself works absolutely fine on any website. But I wouldn't buy and install the Supreme modules to add to it unless you're using the Divi theme itself, because it just doesn't seem to work, or at least not on the 2020 theme. So I hope that's answered your question. I generally didn't know the answer myself. If you've enjoyed this, please ring the bell, give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and WebDesignAndTechTips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.